afternoon, y'all. It's Loretta here with little bug Chloe. Beautiful day at Trinidad State Beach. It's windy, very windy, but beautiful, beautiful nonetheless. Anyway, we have the afternoon off from the horse farm. I thought I had the night off, but I guess I don't. Thought the wave was going to get Chloe. And yeah, so I got a call saying that the hay carts were broken after they fed, which, like, they're so old. That was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. She got tangled. I'm sorry. Anyway, we drove up to Sumac because I thought I could maybe camp tonight. But I have to work tonight. But anyway, there's a really nice campsite, number 8, right near the check-in point, the ranger station. I want to check out. $35 a night. It gives you access to a shower, toilets. You get a fire pit, bear-safe food box, table. Really nice, quiet. And you're inside Sumac State Park, which used to be Patrick's Point State Park, until they changed the name. Anyway, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Again, my name's Loretta. That's Chloe. That's Chloe. We go on adventures when we have time. I love to camp when we have time. We love the beach. We're not that far, about 5-minute drive to the beach. We live on a horse farm, and I love to cook, and I love to share all of that with you guys. Thank you for helping me grow my channel. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Next would be to get to that 4,000 hour view so I can go live. I do have a true scary story of a camping experience I went through a few years back. I want to share with you. I'm just putting together a few notes so I don't forget anything, and I will share that with you. So if you're new, welcome. Please like, subscribe, leave me a positive comment. To those who have already subscribed and keep my channel positive, thank you so much. I want this channel to stay positive. So with that said, I love you all. Be safe. And again, thank you so very much. Bye, you all. Have a great weekend.